I'm Eric Anderson from ROXOR and Mahindra Automotive North America, here for another adventure in the hill country of Texas. Texas Outdoor Journal magazine invited the ROXOR team to the HR Ranch outside of Austin for some exploration and a hog hunt. From a spear-carrying nomad to a hunter dressed in full camouflage, utilizing modern weaponry, man has never stopped enjoying the thrill of the hunt. Stalking, outsmarting, and hunting his prey is still part of his DNA. The ROXOR perfectly accommodates all our hunting gear with its rhino grips and spacious cargo area, and its LED bar really comes in handy at night. The hogs in Texas are ballooning in population, which is endangering the local ecosystems, so hunting them is encouraged. They provide for an exciting hunt because they have super sensitive hearing and smell, and they only come around in the dark. Our host, Bill Olson from Texas Outdoors Journal, has an animal called a shockwave that can imitate a hog feeding frenzy, which of course attracts our prey to the darkened target area. Because most hunting occurs at night, we also use a new tripod-mounted light device called a slow glow, which emits a gradually increasing intensity light in the red-colored spectrum. The animals aren't startled by the gradual increase in intensity, plus they aren't as sensitive to the red light. Now comes the setup. It was about 11 p.m. We drove our ROXORs to within half a mile and waited for a motion sensor to go off at one of the baited feeding areas. The hunt was on. I can't say enough good things about Bill Olson and the fine folks at HR Ranch. You couldn't ask for better hosts. I learned a lot and had a great time. Until our next adventure, I'm Eric Anderson. See you soon.